Hello everyone, this is an Ace Hardware 65 watt BR30 incandescent floodlights. So let us get straight into the video. So as you can tell, it's a BR30 floodlight. Right here you can see the edge. 65 watt, 120, 650 lumens, Ace. So let us screw this in. And turn it on. So, as you can tell, it has a horizontal filament, and it is really bright, as you can tell by the reflection on the iPad. It is a really nice spotlight. Not a spotlight, a floodlight. I will be using this as lighting in my room. Just wanted to make a quick video about the 65 watt Ace Hardware BR30 light bulb. Goodbye.